98 cities, including 24 state capitals, will be developed as smart cities. 20 cities out of these will qualify for the first round of funding by the government. India's financial capital Mumbai and IT capital Bengaluru, meanwhile, have failed to make the cut, even as Uttar Pradesh, the most populous, walks away with 13 smart cities. The catch there is that owing to all the politics, it's a toss-up between Sonia Gandhi's constituency Raebareli and the very urbanized Meerut.
20 smart cities with smarter infrastructure. That's what the Modi government wants to do by the end of this year. A list of 98 prospective smart cities has been announced today across the states.
The central government will be spending around 48,000 crores for the next 5 years on the smart city mission. States and union territories are required to match it by equal amount. This in effect means 96,000 crores will be spent on smart cities in the coming 5 years.
The government will set up a separate special purpose vehicle for each smart city, and equity in each SPV will be shared on a 50-50 basis between the state government and the local authority. Each SPV will be registered under the Companies Act and will have a separate CEO. Even though the private sector will be involved in a big way, but the management control will rest with the state government. Private sector will be involved in a big way in the smart city project through various models, including PPP, lending and financing.
How will the private sector come in? Through lending, through investments, through PPP. All these innovative financing mechanisms will be part of the smart city proposals. There are a number of companies because there is a lot of business in this. We are talking about 50,000 crore of central government funding matching by the state, and that will leverage several times of private sector financing.
While the most number of smart cities have been chosen from the most populous state of Uttar Pradesh, but politics has clearly not eluded this project. The state government will have to toss between Meerut and Sonia Gandhi's constituency of Raebareli. Smart cities will clearly entail smarter choices. Neha Sethi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.